Hi to all, ZC Dark here. So in today's video we have soldering iron. But wait, we already had soldering iron. We had soldering iron. So is this any different? Let's find out. So this soldering iron should be any different? Yes, this should look like this. I had this one, and let's see what we have in here. So we have orange. It doesn't say which one is it, but we're gonna open it and see what we have in. Again, you need special tools to opening. And let's find out what we have in. So the box is the same. So now I have two boxes. Let's see what we have in the box. So we have user's manual. Nice. And here is our star. So this is LCD version. You turn it on, you set the temperature. Okay, let's see what we have. What else we have? We have solid rosin welding flux. So this is the same. We have USB type C. Okay, and we have tip that goes in like this. And that's it. And this is the solder that came with the soldering iron. And as you can see, this is very thin. And this is like aftermarket, you see the difference. Okay, let's try it, but now let's try to turn it on to see if this works. Okay, off. We're gonna go on. 260 degrees. Now it's heating up. It's very nice. It also has LED lights. That's nice. We have 260. Let's see if this is enough to weld, solder. No, it's now you have to go over 300. I'm gonna go 300. Oh, very nice. I like it. USB type C. Okay. Now you can see, but it's not fully. Let's go to 340. I think this would be a great spot. So now I have this. So this is 3D printed. We're gonna try to weld these wires. Okay. But you see it doesn't. Let's go 380. You have to go full throttle with this one, so to have a good weld. And turn it off. press and hold, and it goes off. So here you have a little nice stand to leave it like this. And let's see what we have here. So we have very nice solder. So now I have perfect job for this. So, and just for comparison, you see that this one is much bigger, and it has LED lights, and this one doesn't. So this is just, it has only LEDs, and this 380, it's good, but the peak power is 420. So now you can do whatever job you want to do, because now it's ready for rock and roll. So you see the difference. This is better one than this one. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and wait for my next video, because I'm gonna use this. So when you turn it on and you see this sign, it's time for charging. Yeah. It says you see dark out. Bye, and don't forget to support me. Thanks for watching. Bye.